Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to install and activate Aha Video app on our smart TV. I'm using this app right now to watch some interesting Indian movies and shows. They have both free content and premium paid content. You can pick whichever is comfortable for you. But you should have Aha Video account first to enjoy them completely. Now let's jump into the video. First, we will see how to install the Aha Video app on a smart TV. I'm using Samsung Smart TV now, but the steps should be more or less similar for your smart TV as well. Take your TV remote and go to this app section. Smart TVs usually have an app store where we can search, download and install our favorite media apps. Here we can search for the Aha Video app. Here it is. Just go there, select it, and we have this option to install it. Click on that. That's all. Now we have to open the app and activate it. When you open the app for the first time, it will ask you to choose some options. We can change this later if we want. This is the main screen of the Aha Video app. We can see all the movie content here. To activate our account on this TV, go to the leftmost side and go to the top and select link account. There are two options available here to activate the app or link our account. First one is by scanning via Aha Video mobile app. Second one is by visiting the URL mentioned here and entering this code. For the first one, if you have Aha Video mobile app on your phone, then go to menu, link device and scan this URL code on the screen. Or we can enter the code shown on the screen to connect as well. This will activate the app on your TV. That's all we have to do. For the second one, if you don't have the mobile app, then open the browser on your mobile or desktop devices like laptop or computer. Then type www.aha.video/activate. Then log into your account. If you haven't, you can log in by entering the mobile number associated with your account. Then enter the OTP. If you register your account by email address or Facebook or Google account, then you can log in using that as well. Then on this page, enter the code mentioned on the screen. That's all. Now the app is activated on your TV. You can prefer whichever method you are comfortable with. This activation code will change after a few seconds. So make sure you do that within that time period. As you can see, I can access all the content on the Aha Video TV app without any issue. If you don't have Aha Video account yet, then you can try our referral code mentioned in the description. You will also get additional ₹100 off on annual subscription if you are an Indian user, or $10 off on annual subscription if you are in a foreign country. You will also get the same benefit when you use our referral code. But if you find any other good offer while signing up, please try that instead. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions or thoughts about installing and activating Aha Video app on your smart TV, do kindly let us know in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.